So friends, this is our new question problem of linear search algorithm. In this program, we need to find out count how many times a target element appears in an array. So that we are going to target. So let's first we're gonna create our class, main class, public class, count, occurrence. This class name is always be sm as our file name. So write sm as our file name. Then what we gonna do, that is create method for public static and int. This method for use linear search to count occurrences and your targeted value. So int and write our method name count occurrence. That's good. And int array comma int target. Go inside this and use now initialize our count equal to 0. Then use for loop as we have already created in our previous programs. This is same logic in most of the programs when we use linear search. Int I equal to 0, I is less than array dot length and I plus plus. Go inside this and if array index is equal to target value that you're gonna target. So then return count plus plus and then return count if that is not available. Fine. Now create man method that is public static void man and create scanner class object scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in semicolon. This is our scanner class that is imported, and if it is not imported in your system you can do this by itself. Now what we want to take, so let's take an array that is int numbers is 12, 14, 16. Again we're gonna use 12, 14, 18 and 10, 20, 24, again 20, again 20. So this is our array. Now let's take our target value. So enter target value colon and remove this ln. And target value is also integer type int target equal to st dot next int semicolon. Fine. Now what should we do? If count is greater than 0, is there any issue with, okay, int count is equal to count occurrence method that we already create to count and find our target. So we will store this in count, and if that count is greater than 0, we gonna print system.out.println. mm, we can use f string in it. I think no, we use directly in it. So mm, target, what was our target, that is, let's select the target appears and right here count how many times it appears. appears times in this array. Else system.out.println element not found. Now try to run this. So this is our all logic. Now run this, enter target value. So our target value is 20 and target 20 appears 3 times in this array. So let's check how many times that is appeared in this array. 1, 2 and 3 times. Let's take different target that are not available in this array. So what it will return. So let's find out 23. I think 23 is not available. So press enter, element not found. And when we take element that is again available in this array, that is 12. So press enter, target 12 appears 2 times in this array. So this is the way to find out occurrences of element and appearance of element in this particular array by using linear search algorithm. So that's a way. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If this video is helpful for you, we will meet in our upcoming video of linear search algorithm question problems.